Yeah. Now we are sailing again. Another day, and with some wind, and there's no digging boats out there. But yeah, my project right now is just to unfurl the Genua, or what do you call it, in the front there. Yeah. And today it is a happy day for the boat. As you can see, it is showing the hours 749 hours. So very nice. But yeah, we are sailing with the sails right now, so I will shut off the engine. Yeah, pretty nice. And it is Finn that is steering the boat today.
Thank you very
He's preparing for his travel around the world in his new Bavaria.
Thank you very much.
Luxus yacht. So yeah, we have now passed Dronningborg. Yeah. Boat Law. And there is a bit more wind here. As you can see, there is small waves on the water, and yeah, everything is looking good, and Finn is steering the boat, and yeah, we have a bit speed over ground, so it is pretty nice. As you can see, my sheet wagon here is halfway out. Yeah, when you are sailing in a very light wind, you must have the sheet wagon here in the front, and when it is blowing very much, it is best to yeah, take it yeah, to the other side, or to the aft end. It is to make the right curve in the sail, but yeah, I don't know if it is that well trimmed right now, but yeah, we are just sailing for fun right now. No yeah, speed tester or anything. But as you can see, my rod kicker system is working very well. The aft wire there is totally loose, so it is yeah, it is functioning as it must do. So very nice. Whoa. Woo. Boat is heeling a bit. Yeah. When we are sailing like this, you can hear a sound. It is, as you can hear, the sound of the propeller. It is, whoa, it is making a funny sound. I don't know if it must say that, or it is a failure or something on the sail drive. But yeah, maybe you can hear it. As you can hear, it is sounding like an electric car or something. But yeah,
it's when it's in neutral.
Yeah. But on my last boat it was a folding prop, so we didn't have the problem with the sound of, because the prop was folding. Yeah, it was folding, and yeah, there was no sound. But this boat here make a funny sound when I switch it to yeah,
either forward or backward.
In gear, the sound disappears. As you can hear, there's no sound. But then the prop is breaking the boat, I think.
It stops the water.
Yeah.
It's not following the boat or
Rotating.
Yes.
Yeah.
So it's fixed, but is it good for the speed or is it bad for the speed?
Yeah.
That's a discussion.
Quite good speed right now when you look at land. But when I switch it again to neutral, you can hear the sound is back. So we don't know if the boat must be in neutral or it must be in gear. So yeah. But nice wind today. My Bavaria like a lot of wind. So I think it is ready for a hurricane. Maybe. A nice day with some wind, and you can see the digging machines are now longer out here in the inlet here. So yeah, I think they are finished digging out the inlet into the harbor there. So that is nice. Oh, it is very loose. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Perfectly.
Almost perfect. But yeah, a very nice and a bit windy day. But yeah, not hurricane yet. But we never know here on Randers Inlet. The inlet here is known for its thunderstorms. I have talked with a lot of people that has been struck by lightning in their sailboat, and the electronics was burning wild inside. But yeah, I don't think we have any thunderstorms today. Everything looks very nice, and as you know, you can see on the clouds how the weather will be, how the wind is, and so yeah, these clouds, I don't remember the name of them, but yeah, I think there is some weather change on the way. Yeah, I think I will check with my book. Yeah. We have mounted these handles here so we can tighten up the sails a bit more, so we can get the right heeling in the boat, or angle in the boat.
Angle to the wind.
Yeah. You. Yeah. I like the blue sky and the white sails. I think it is very, very pretty.
Can I say something?
Yes.
Because I think the wind now is about 5 to 6 meters per second, and I think it's okay. But if it's less, it's hard to steer the boat, I think.
Okay.
So more wind is then it's easier to sail the boat.
Or sail a Bavaria.
Bavaria 32 years. But my own gibsea 31 foot is it can sail in much less wind than this one, and it can go much straighter to the wind. So, but I think it's much more comfortable in this Bavaria 32 than my own 31 gibsea.
Yeah. This boat here is also what do you call it, rigged, so the keel is very heavy, so the boat won't heel so much when it is blowing or very windy, because the boat here is made as a family boat, and Finn's what is a gibsea? Or
it's a gibsea.
Yeah. It is more a racing
It's a cruising boat.
Cruising. Or
Yes.
It was. It was a racing, almost racing.
Partly racing. It's
Okay. Family cruiser racing.
sparsely equipped,
Okay.
and the sailing. What do you call it? Preferences is the first priority on the boat.
Yeah.
So there's not much, not many lockers.
No. Do we have to turn? Maybe.
No, not yet. Not yet.
Almost straight into the winds.
We still have 6 meters under the boat.
Yeah. Okay. The wind in the inlet here is a bit tricky because of all the trees there, and the landscape and so it is not easy to sail in here. You must always be aware of anything here. But I have sailed here all my life, so I hope there's nothing crazy happening here. I think the worst thing that could happen here is if we went on ground, because I think
it's only sand if we go on ground. No rocks.
Yeah, it is no rocks on the bottom here. So as you know, they are calling this sport sail sport. I don't know the word on English. Yeah, but it is almost I'm almost out of breath. So
It's a sweaty day for the captain.
yeah.
Happily I can't smell it.
Yeah. Oh. Ja.
Så fik vi en lille vind igen. Det kan vi så glæde os over.
Today we have some paddleboard competition. We have a racing paddleboard in a sailboat here. And we are now in Norway.
Suddenly.
Og a Norwegian flag right there. So almost. Pretty nice sky here. Yeah, I think it needs a bit more line here, so I can pull in the Genoa here, or yeah, sail here. But yeah, I need to furl in the main sail. And then Finn is putting out the fenders, so we are ready to dock the boat with me as a controller or the captain. So yeah, before the rain is arriving. So yeah, let us see how it goes. But it is pretty easy here, because the boat space here is so far out here.